Hey guys, I'm just chilling this afternoon, so what I think I'm going to do is show you guys how to remove the background in Capcut. Capcut is a totally free video editor, available for the PC and your mobile phone. I will have a link down below. It is very user-friendly. So user-friendly, in fact, that this is going to be easy. This is going to be a very short tutorial. After removing the background, you can place yourself in any studio that you would want your YouTubers to think that you are at. Or you can place yourself anywhere in the world. I can be standing by the Chicago River, a subway station in New York, or even by the Eiffel Tower. Okay guys, let's get started. We have CapCut open. I'm going to import some files here that we're going to use for our project. We're going to import these. Now we're going to drag one of these pictures down here that we're going to use for the background. This is a still image. You can use still images or videos. This one's a video. We'll do that next. Now, after you have your background, you drag the clip to the timeline that you want to remove the background from. You highlight it by clicking on it. We click up here on cutout. Then we click on auto cutout and it will automatically remove that background. There, we've removed the background. Now I'll play this clip and you can see this is just a clip that I got from a stock site. And now he's in that background. You can click on him, highlight it. We can move him around wherever we want him. We can resize him. Play it back. And there you have it. Very simple. Now we're going to place him by the beach. So I'm going to swap out my background. I'll just delete this. I'll drag this video to the timeline. We can stretch this out a little bit. And now we have him at the beach. We'll center him here. We click on our play button. And there you go. That's it, guys. I told you it was very simple.